Hi everyone, it's CiCi here. Chinese New Year is just right around the corner. It is on February 12th this year. And to celebrate Chinese New Year, I'm partnering with Knorr in the next several weeks. And I'll be sharing with you a series of must-eat Chinese New Year dishes. And today, we'll be cooking the most delicious turnip cake. To celebrate Chinese New Year, Knorr is going to have an awesome sweepstakes. From January 5th to January 31st, there will be 10 winners. And those lucky winners will get 1,000 worth of kitchen supplies, including a high-quality cast-iron induction cooker and a super amazing gift basket. To enter the sweepstakes, use Knorr Kitchen Broth Mix, Knorr Liquid Seasoning, or Knorr Bouillon Cubes, and cook your family's favorite Chinese New Year dish. Take a picture of this amazing dish and upload it to Knorr's website. I will put the link in the description box. So here we're going to rehydrate the dry mushrooms in 2 cups of water for overnight. And then we're going to chop them into small pieces. Reserve the soaking water. We're also going to rehydrate the dry shrimp in half cup of water for about 2 hours. And then chop it into small pieces. Also reserve the soaking water. In a pan over medium-high heat, add 1 tablespoon of extra light olive oil. You can also use other type of cooking oil. Also add the chopped Chinese sausage and stir fry for about 1 minute. Now we're also going to add the shiitake mushrooms, dry shrimp. Stir fry until aromatic for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add in the garlic and the white part of the scallions. We're going to cook until the aroma comes out for about 30 seconds. Take it out and set aside. In the same pan, over high heat, we're going to add in the Chinese white radish, along with all the reserved soaking water from the dry shiitake mushrooms and shrimp. We're just going to stir a little and then cover the lid and cook for about 5 minutes until they are softened. We're going to try to drain out as much liquid as possible. And we're going to wait until it is slightly cool for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to measure the liquid. It should be about 2.5 cups. If it's more, we're going to throw it out a little. If it's less, then we're going to add a little more water to it. Okay, now we're going to make the batter. In a large bowl, we're going to add the rice flour, cornstarch, and Knorr chicken broth mix. So Knorr chicken broth mix will help to boost chicken umami flavors. You can also use it in any types of soup, any types of stir fry, or as a part of your marinade. We're also going to add a pinch of salt, white pepper, sugar, and extra light olive oil. We're going to pour in the liquid and whisk until smooth. In the same pan, over low heat, we're going to return the Chinese white radish, along with the Chinese sausage, shiitake mushrooms, and dry shrimp back into the pan. We're also going to pour the batter into the pan and mix until the batter is thickened for about 2 minutes. We're going to grease the pan with cooking oil. And we're going to line the bottom with a parchment paper. And we're going to pour the batter into the cake pan. And in a large steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the cake pan inside. Cover the lid and steam over high heat for 1 hour. In a bowl, we're gonna add in all the ingredients for the dipping sauce. We're using Knorr liquid seasoning. You can use Knorr liquid seasoning for even tastier and more sumptuous dishes. You can use it as a dipping sauce in stir fry or as a part of your marinade. Okay, so we're also gonna add rice vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, and scallions. Whisk, and we're gonna set it aside. After 1 hour, we're gonna take out the turnip cake. And let it cool down completely for about 1 hour. And flip it down on a cutting board. In a flat bottom pan over medium-high heat, we're going to place the turnip cake in the pan and cook until lightly browned for about 30 seconds on each side. Look at that beautiful golden crust. Wow. So good. So amazing. I must say that our turnip cake turned out to be super delicious. It has an explosion of flavors, so many things inside. I love the crunchy crust on the outside and super soft and tender on the inside. I hope that everyone enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you again next Friday. Bye now! Yummy, yummy in my tummy.